Today, we're exploring an exciting topic that's reshaping the world of finance: how AI is revolutionizing investment methods. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about how technology is changing finance, this video will provide you with insights into the transformative impact of artificial intelligence on investing. Let's dive in. Introduction to AI in finance. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the finance industry by bringing advanced analytics and automation to investment strategies. AI encompasses a range of technologies designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning from data, making decisions, and predicting future trends. Historically, AI's role in finance began with basic computational models. The real shift happened in the 1990s with the rise of machine learning, an AI subset that enables systems to learn from and improve with experience. Today's AI models are far more sophisticated, analyzing massive datasets to generate insights and automate complex processes. Predictive analytics. What is predictive analytics? Predictive analytics uses historical data and statistical algorithms to forecast future events. In finance, it involves predicting stock prices, market trends, and economic conditions based on past performance. AI's impact. AI enhances predictive analytics by processing large volumes of data quickly and accurately. Unlike traditional models, AI-driven tools integrate various data sources, market data, financial reports, and even social media sentiment to provide more accurate forecasts. For instance, AlphaSense utilizes AI to analyze historical data and current trends, offering investors precise insights into potential market movements. Challenges. Despite its advantages, AI in predictive analytics faces challenges like data quality and overfitting. Predictive models need continuous updates to stay relevant, and inaccuracies in data can lead to misleading predictions. Algorithmic trading. What is algorithmic trading? Algorithmic trading involves using algorithms to execute trades based on predefined criteria. These algorithms analyze market conditions, execute trades, and manage portfolios at speeds and frequencies beyond human capabilities. AI's role. AI has advanced algorithmic trading by enabling adaptive strategies. Traditional algorithms follow static rules, but AI-driven models can learn from new data and adjust strategies in real time. For example, 2 Sigma employs AI to analyze market data and execute trades based on complex strategies, optimizing performance and managing risk. Challenges. AI-powered trading offers efficiency but comes with challenges such as potential algorithmic errors and the risk of creating market volatility. Continuous monitoring and refinement are necessary to mitigate these issues. Robo-advisors. What are robo-advisors? Robo-advisors are automated platforms that provide investment management and financial advice using algorithms. They create and manage investment portfolios based on an individual's risk tolerance and financial goals. How AI enhances robo-advisors. AI allows robo-advisors to offer personalized investment strategies by analyzing user data and market trends. Betterment, for example, uses AI to tailor investment recommendations and automate portfolio management. The platform continually adjusts portfolios to align with users' financial goals, such as retirement savings or purchasing a home. Challenges. While robo-advisors offer lower fees and accessibility, they face challenges like limited human oversight and the need for algorithm updates to reflect changing market conditions. Sentiment analysis. What is sentiment analysis? Sentiment analysis uses AI to interpret emotions and opinions from online content, such as social media posts and news articles. It helps gauge market sentiment and potential impacts on stock prices. AI's role. AI enhances sentiment analysis through natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning. StockTwits, for example, monitors and analyzes social media to provide insights into market mood. By evaluating the sentiment of online discussions, these tools help investors understand public perception and make informed decisions. Challenges. sentiment analysis faces challenges like misinterpreting ambiguous content and maintaining accuracy as language evolves. Continuous updates to NLP models are essential to keep up with these changes. Fraud detection and risk management. What is fraud detection and risk management? Fraud detection involves identifying and preventing fraudulent activities, while risk management assesses and mitigates financial risks. AI systems analyze transaction patterns and detect anomalies indicative of fraud or potential risks. AI's impact. AI improves fraud detection and risk management by analyzing vast datasets to identify unusual patterns. Darktrace, for example, uses machine learning to detect and respond to potential fraud and cybersecurity threats in real time, protecting financial assets and sensitive information. AI-driven fraud detection offers advantages like real-time monitoring and accuracy, but also faces challenges such as the risk of false positives and the need to stay ahead of sophisticated fraud techniques. Conclusion: AI is fundamentally transforming the finance industry by enhancing predictive analytics, revolutionizing algorithmic trading, and making investment management more accessible through robo-advisors. While there are challenges to address, such as data quality, algorithmic errors, and ethical concerns, the benefits of AI in finance are substantial. As we continue to explore these innovations, staying informed and adaptable is crucial. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into tech and finance trends. Leave a comment with your thoughts on AI and investing, and I'll see you in the next video.